something I would wear if I was just going to work or just, you know, a little chill day. So let's get into it. So as you can see, for the sake of time of this video, I already did my brows. For my brows, I use a NYX eyebrow pencil in the color Espresso, because I don't like mine to be really dark. So yeah, as you can see, I've already done those, and I've used my MAC Studio Fix concealer in the color NC42 to clean them up. So this is just some plain brow gel, some clear brow gel that I'm gonna put over this to just to kind of set them in place. It definitely makes a difference and helps the hair stay in place. So that's that. And so now first we're gonna start with for me, I do color correcting. As you can probably tell from how my eyes look right now, I am very tired. So a lot of times, especially if you're a mom like me, you might be tired. So I color correct. This is MAC Prep and Prime highlighter, and I'm in the color Light. Next, it's time for foundation. So I use MAC Studio Fix Fluid. I'm a color NC44. So we're gonna take this, and along with it, I mix in NYX BB cream because I have very dry skin by nature. So I mix in this with my foundation and this liquid illuminator from NYX in the color Pure Gold, and it just kind of helps brighten my skin up because, as you can see, I'm kind of pale, especially in the winter time like it is right now. Conceal. As you can still see, the color correcting helps somewhat with my under eye circles, but we're gonna go in with our MAC Studio Fix concealer in the color NC42 because I want it to be a little lighter than my skin for like a highlight. Tutorial, I'm going to do a little bit of contouring on my cheeks because I have really puffy cheeks, as you can tell, and I just feel like I look better when I contour them, so that's what we're about to do. And for that, I'm going to just take my NYX contouring stick, and it has this like chocolate, I don't remember the exact name of it, color on the bottom. Highlight, you always gotta set it just to make your skin look more flawless, but we're not gonna do a lot. So for that, I'm gonna use this Buttercup setting powder, and you can find this on Amazon. get this from Ulta. Okay, next we gotta do our highlight, and for my highlight, it's my favorite highlighter. This is the MAC Gold Deposit, and you can get this obviously from the MAC counter. I think it's about 35 bucks. Even though I'm not gonna do like any crazy eyeshadow or anything, so this is an everyday look, I am gonna go in and do my creases just because I have really like small eyes and I just like to brighten them up a little bit. So for that, I'm gonna use this MAC eyeshadow in the color Corduroy. And for this kind of look, this is basically it for the face, except for lashes. Normally for everyday looks, I don't really like to do lashes, but at the same time, I can't wear makeup without lashes. So hold on, I'll be right back while I put my lashes on. I go to lashes because they are really lightweight for strips, and they have an invisible band, so you don't have to worry about putting on liquid liner, like if you're just doing an everyday look like what we're doing. So last but not least, we're gonna do our lips, and then we'll be all done. So for everyday look, I will put something like a brown or a nude. So this color is Butter by NYX, and I got this at Ulta. It was like $5. So I'm just gonna use this. And there you have it. Just a cute little everyday look. Nice little highlight, nothing too dramatic. Something you could wear to work, minus the lashes if you want. And you could just put on some popping lipstick and go straight to happy hour. So, yeah, I already have a video about lashes, so that's why I didn't do it in this video. So if you haven't seen it, go check it out. I also have a tutorial on this hairstyle if you want to see how I got this look, because I am natural. So yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. I love y'all. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and click the subscribe button right now and check out my other videos as well. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media, Instagram at Jalisa Mariah, and my Snapchat is at MajorMom6. So yeah, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.